Here I am sharing one of my favorite recipe which I learned from my mother. For this recipe I harvested some brinjals. First take a pan, dry roast some dhania seeds and red chilies and make them as a fine powder. Once the powder is ready, then add fresh coconut pieces, salt and tamarind to it and make it as a paste. At the end add cabbage to it, small size cabbage. So small onion size cabbage. Here I am trying to make it as a satvic way, so I am adding cabbage. If you want to make it normal way, then you can replace the cabbage with onion. So make it as a paste and keep it aside. Now take the brinjals and make a plus slit and stuff all the masala in it. Now take a pan, add a oil, add 1 spoon of mustard seeds and 1 spoon of jeera to it. Once the mustard seeds starts to split, then add all the stuffed brinjal in it. Then at the end add tomato pieces and little bit of water and close the lid and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the brinjal are nicely cooked, it is ready to serve.